Hello, this is Leah Pancoke here with my assignment 1 article review for TE882. The article that I read was Building Effective Professional Development in the publication Center for Public Education. A summary of the article begins with the first part, why the status quo is ineffective, and basically what it said was that most PD is a workshop style, and so it has little to no effect on student achievement. It takes time for PD to have an impact on student achievement, and it will take at least 20 instances of practice before a teacher will feel comfortable implementing a new skill or element into their classroom. Problems with implementation. Traditional workshops. The traditional workshop type of PD assumes that the only challenge facing teachers is their lack of knowledge and effective teaching practices. However, the greatest struggle is not learning a new skill, but in implementing it. It takes teachers time to understand and fully become masters of these different teaching practices. So research shows that teachers change their underlying beliefs about how to teach something only after they see success with students. So they need to be successful in implementing them in their classrooms before it'll become an everyday or constant skill that they'll use in their classroom. So to internalize a practice and change their beliefs, teachers must see success with students, but student success is very hard to come by initially as learning new skills takes several attempts to master. And also, crafting effective professional development means confronting this reality and building a significant amount of support for teachers during the critical implementation phase in one's actual classroom. So in order to change all of this, PD needs to take more time and allow teachers to be supported through their process of implementation. My thoughts were that I totally agree with this article. I do agree that generally professional development is workshop style, and it might be, for a couple hours in a day. And then after that, many teachers walk away feeling very overwhelmed, and they're unsure how to change their teaching practices in their classroom. Based on what our school does, I know that professional development, and what I've worked on, it takes a while to feel comfortable with a new Marzano element or goal. And generally, we're given a semester to a whole year to try and make those changes and become better teachers. So I also realize that it can be very discouraging when at first you're working on something you've never done before and it's not successful in your classroom. So all of these things in the article I completely agree with, and I agree with their thoughts that in order to change, it needs to be a long-term process of, maybe working on one goal or one element of effective teaching. Thank you for listening to my presentation, and I hope to learn more from each of you this semester. Thank you.